Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to simplify this given exponential problem. And here our problem is 2 divided by 3 whole power 2 divided by 3. And now our task is to simplify it. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started and let's focus on this problem. We got 2 divided by 3 whole power 2 divided by 3. In other words, our base is 2/3 and our exponent is 2/3 as well. And here's our very first thing. We are going to tweak this exponent. 2/3 could be written as 2 times 1/3. So therefore, this whole thing could be written as 2 divided by 3 and then power 2 times 1 divided by 3. And now let's recall the power rule of exponents. As you can see for these nested exponents. And here we can see if we have a x power m and then another power n, then this could be written as x power m times n. In other words, m times n. And if I call this one as m and this is our n, then we can write this one as 2 divided by 3 and then whole power 2. And then once again power 1/3. And now we can see 2 power 2 is going to give us 4, and at the very same time 3 power 2 is going to give us 9. And now we are going to split these up. So therefore we can write this thing as 4 power 1 divided by 3 and then divided by 9 power 1 divided by 3. And in this next step, I have copied down this whole expression right up here since we are running out of space. And now we are going to rationalize this denominator by multiplying by 9 power 1/3. And at the very same time, I'm going to divide by 9 power 1/3 as well. And now we are going to multiply these numerators and we are going to multiply the denominators as well. So for these numerators, I'm going to write down our bases 4 times 9 and then whole power 1/3. And likewise for these denominators, I can write 9 times 9 and then whole power 1/3 as well. And if we multiply, 4 times 9 is going to give us 36. And likewise, 9 times 9 is going to give us 81. And now this whole thing could be written as 36 divided by 81 whole power 1 divided by 3. And now we have to be very careful. We're going to tweak this fraction, 36 divided by 81. We are going to just divide both sides by 3. So 36 divided by 81 could be written as 12 divided by 27. So therefore this could be written as 12 divided by 27 whole power 1/3. And now we are going to split them up. We can write 12 power 1 divided by 3 divided by 27 power 1/3. And now let's focus on this 27 power 1/3. As you can see over here, I have copied it down. And we know 27 is same as 3 power 3. So therefore this could be written as 3 power 3 and then power 1/3. And now we can see 3 times 1/3 is simply 1. So therefore this could be written as 3 power 1, which is same as 3. So therefore we can see that this denominator 27 power 1/3 turns out to be equal to 3. So therefore we got our answer as 12 power 1 divided by 3 divided by 3. And that's our simplified answer to our this given problem. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the answer to our this problem 2/3 power 2/3 is going to be equal to 12 power 1/3 divided by 3. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.